Hey 30-minute marketers. In today's quick video, we're going to talk about getting started with low content publishing and breaking into the dot-to-dot market. If you're new to the channel, I'm Gary Baker and I'm here to show you how to do more to market your message in less time. And to do that, remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. And today we're focused on low content publishing and taking a look at getting started with dot-to-dots. So what is dot-to-dot? So if you go over to Amazon and you just type in dot-to-dot, you take a look under children's activity books, you'll see these awesome puzzles and activity books where they've added these dot-to-dot puzzles. So if you're trying to break into this niche or you think this is something you want to add to your current activity books to punch it up a little bit so you can benefit from adding this keyword to your book and not disappointing when someone actually purchases your activity book, and making sure it has legit dot-to-dot inside the book. For example, if we were to take a look at this book right here, you can see what they're doing is they're adding into the description that kids can count and have fun all the way up to 30 with this dot-to-dot series. And they have these animals and they go around with the dot-to-dot starting with 1 and have them count up to 30 and just tracing around the dots. So to do this, you need images and you need to be able to make the dot-to-dots. One quick way to get started with this would be to go over to Creative Fabrica and check out one of the products that they have for sale with their commercial license, which is a 15 dot-to-dot animal worksheet pack. And as you can see right there, you get 15 fun and interactive dot-to-dot animal pages. You can create the animals and color them in with these fun dot-to-dot pages. And you can see exactly what you're getting there. Of course, there'll be a link in the description to go over to Creative Fabrica and check that out. It's an option that you can use. Another really quick option that I have for you, and of course the link is in the description to this as well, is to head over and pick up this cool animal coloring pack. And what you have here is a pack of animal images that you can use any way you see fit with full PLR license. And there are 20 images plus the other 49 images. And you'll be able to purchase those and you'll get full rights right here. It explains your full rights that you can do with it. You can create any number of coloring books. You can use these as you see fit. You can also modify these images for use in any of the above products. And of course, this answers your questions right there. And you can see right there that you can get the complete bundle here for $37. And if you do purchase that through the link in the description, you'll get all those cool coloring images, plus I'm going to add a bonus of dot-to-dots. So the images you will have, I've converted those into dot-to-dots, and you can see right here, the bear, the bird, here is a chick, and an elephant, and a giraffe, as well as a hippo, and a few others that I've added as a bonus, so you can easily add those dot-to-dot images into your activity book, just like we saw on Amazon.com, where they've created simple dot-to-dots and added them to a dot-to-dot book or upgraded their activity books with dot-to-dots. Another option is to pick up a piece of software that allows you to make your own dot-to-dots. And if you check the link in the description, you can go to this page right here and you can check out my review of Kidz puzzle books. And what Kidz puzzle books does allow you to make complete activity books to include dot-to-dot books. And we'll take a quick look inside. Of course, I did a complete review up here on the page that I just showed you, and the link to that is in the description. So be sure to check out the links in the description. And what you have here is you have the ability to create dot-to-dots. As you can see, some of the dot-to-dots that I've created here. So for example, I have a test dot-to-dot right here with a dog. So you can see that you're able to upload an image and then create your own dot-to-dot. When you remove that background, you can see the dot-to-dot right there. It creates a nice little dot-to-dot image. Then of course you could take that, upload it into Canva or any other editing program and add anything that you want to, maybe add features to the inside to create an inner outline to make it look more like a dog without the lines. But of course, once you connect the dots, you will have a dog. And of course, this is fully editable because you'll have access to this tool to create your own dot-to-dots right here inside the software. And when you do that, you'll be able to create a book of just dot-to-dots, or as you can see right here, you can create a book from scratch that includes hangman, tic-tac-toe, dots and boxes, dot-to-dot, Sudoku, 9x9, 6x6, word scramble 8x8, and word search 10x10. So for example, if you wanted to see how this works, you could simply just go in here, create these Sudokus. I have a couple word scrambles. I have some word search, 8 by 8 and 10 by 10. And then of course the dot to dot, we'll go ahead and we'll grab one of those. We'll hit save, test 100. That'll save our book. And then you'll see right here, test 100, you simply click generate book, and this software is going to do the heavy lifting for you and assemble the PDF that you can use as a book. And there again is the dot to dot that we talked about, and then of course the other puzzles for a complete activity book that you can create right there. But the key here is you created your own dot to dot by simply using this software, which again, I did a complete review, Kidz Puzzle Book. Check the link in the description. So those are the options to get into the dot to dot low content publishing scene if you want to try to break into that without spending a whole lot of time and money trying to either outsource it or figure out very complex image editing or creation software. So if this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content just like the video here on the end screen. Click on that video, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.